everyone. My name is New, and we're here to represent the Hmong Women's Circle, a group of young Hmong ladies that gather together and talk about life issues, the Hmong community, and opportunities. We have decided to put together an Asian cultural clothing show for the community. Please be prepared for an amazing show. Our first two models are Joanne and Faith. They are working in Red scars are common in India but not present in a number of other Asian cultures. Faith's story features intricate beadwork on both top and bottom, another common feature of the Indian dress. A sari is always colorful and generally made from 5 to 6 yards of fabric and leaves enough extra material to be draped over the shoulder or arm. Our next two models are Bianca and Kathy. They are both from modern Hmong style clothing. Most Hmong skirts contain the tight pleats you see on Bianca and come in a variety of forms and colors with patterns that reflect Hmong breed, Hmong mark, and even personal preference. Combining an element of Hmong style clothing with top or bottom of American style clothing is a new trend that has come into fashion in the past year. Next, we have Kabao and Anna, dressed in the clothing of Thailand. Kabao is wearing a fashion pants tend to range in length from knee to ankle length. The satin fabric used in these Thai clothes tends to be thinner and lighter than the cotton-based fabric you will find in the clothing of Lao. The shoulder sash is common to both Thai and Malaysian clothing, but as you will see later, the Thai sash tends to be less wide than the Malaysian sash. Next, we have Fu and Linda. Fu's clothes reflect the Hmong white style with a lengthy typical of the style. This differs from the short length of the shirt in the Hmong green style. The red sash Linda is wearing a modern Hmong skirt. Like all Hmong skirts, they are made with pleats and have beautiful new designs due to their new century and fashion sense. More traditional skirts have more simple designs or are simply white with no decoration. Neckwear is common in the Hmong style of formal dress and is always made of silver and is worn by both males and females. Next, we have Geneva and Kabao. Geneva is wearing Hmong Thai clothing. Her silver necklace features long silver chains and rolls. The other common form of necklace for Hmong ladies features silver formed in half-moon shape. Geneva has also given us our first look at one of the uncommon styles of a Hmong hat. Another common feature of Hmong clothes are adornments made of coins as well as coin bags worn at the waist. These coin bags are often made of green and may feature intricate embroidery. Kabao is wearing a similar form of the Thai